Cappuccino later, she's gonna wait for me.
Pardon?
Telephone.
Yeah. Well, it's so dark in there, I can't really see very much. Can't really let them out though.
Nothing on.
Oh, just slightly. Better hide in there. They're all in there. Do they have eggs? Can't
Yes,
see.
8 of them.
Do they have any eggs at the moment? I'm watching this quite intently. They're all running away. I'm not too sure what's going on. What? Right? If you can close it up. It's a nice door. Get it closer to the lock. Yep, you can get quite a shock from this thing. Have to keep the cows going in the right direction. Hug. I think they're afraid to come down here. I think they're afraid to come down here. They're all stopping to watch me. So I think it's becoming a traffic jam here. They all have numbers on their ears, eh?
Yep.
Are those the, yeah, they're quite curious animals, aren't they? Well, that looks pretty good. I'll have to get them out on the in the farm. I mean, on the. Oh well, not too bad.
Can't help that.
See the rain falling.
Yeah.
Or something. Oh, it looks nice. The little one, a colt, the child of the mother here?
Yep.
So this is the mother here, the big one.
That's Mickey, and the colt is named Abraham, but before you just go around and jump right away from you, but now it's going to hear you.
Yeah. And you used to be afraid of humans before?
Yeah, that's going to be number 22, but
Oh, yeah.
Tom.
Huh?
He's the old
Come over here. Really, really flapping his tail. Yeah. Nice one. They'll let you get close. Look. Huh. Oh well. Still a little bit afraid.
You just touched him a little and take the hyper.
Just touched your hand?
Yeah.
That's somebody you know?
Yeah, Lindsay.
Oh. Lindsay, oh, that's the girl there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well, let's see. Oh, yeah, the calf over there.
Yeah.
Mother makes a lot of noise when she's eating. Yeah. Oh, she got a bug right in her eye there. A lot of flies around there. Does she have any water?
Yeah.
Your dad was worried about them not having enough water.
Well, since that was the other one.
Oh, yeah.
And the rest was.
Oh. We were taping with a camera, or we were taping something else? I mean,
One of those things.
oh. What do you mean, you were recording something over it?
Yeah.
With a camera, or with some another tape?
I can't,
Oh, well. Make it a moving shot.
Dead home.
Okay.
Yeah.